To today's video, where we dive into the fascinating world of gadgets and tools. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a DIY expert, or someone who just loves to simplify everyday tasks, this video is packed with amazing finds you won't want to miss. Imagine transforming your daily routines, upgrading your workspace, or just having fun experimenting with innovative tools that make life so much easier. From smart kitchen appliances to cutting-edge tools for your home or garage, there's something here for everyone. First up, let's talk about multifunctional tools. Have you ever struggled with having the right tool for the job? One of the coolest gadgets we found is a compact all-in-one multi-tool that combines pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and more, all in a pocket-sized design. Whether you're hiking, fixing things around the house, or just want to be prepared for anything, this gadget has you covered. For those of you who love cooking, we found some incredible kitchen gadgets that make meal prep faster and easier. From high-speed vegetable slicers to compact air fryers that cook healthier meals in no time, these tools are perfect for saving time and impressing your dinner guests. So, where can you find these incredible gadgets and tools? We've done the research and found exclusive deals that you won't want to miss. Many of these items are available with up to 50% off, but these discounts won't last forever. Here's what you need to do next. Click the link in the description below to discover these insane tools and gadgets for yourself. Don't wait too long, though. These offers are only available for a limited time, and you don't want to miss out. Before we wrap up, let us know in the comments which gadgets you're most excited about. Do you already own any of these, or are you planning to try something new? We love hearing your thoughts and recommendations. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.